Companies continue to play fast and loose with our information. So it's a good idea to start deleting your data from companies you don't use anymore. But how do you do this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know and what to do in order for you to delete your data from any company in the world. Hey, I'm Claudio. I'm a data protection specialist and I've handled thousands of subject requests and hundreds of deletion requests. So how do you delete your data from the web? First thing you need to know is which companies have your data. And that's the tricky part. As I was saying, a lot of companies continue to play fast and loose with our information. And that means that they sell or share our data with anyone online. And because of this, it can be difficult for us to find out who has it. Don't worry though. In my last video, I walk you through exactly what you need to do in order to find which companies have your data. And all that you need is access to your email account. And I also started working on a solution that will help you find which companies have your data a lot more easily. But more on that later. So if you know which companies have your data, or at least some of them, you're on the right track. Now let's get to the fun part. Most of the companies offer some kind of way for you to delete your information from their database. This can be a form, an email address, or even a physical address for you to send a letter to. Personally, I don't really like that last option, but hey, it's there if you need it. Now, once you find a way for you to contact them, write them this. This is the first step in the process. For this request, you can find out if that company sold or shared your data. And most importantly, to whom. After that, you can delete your data with this. If you already know what a company did with your data, or you simply don't care, you can just skip step 1 and go straight to step 2. One thing you need to remember though, it usually takes about a month for them to get back to you and complete a request. So be patient. And if you need anything or need any support, I'm here for you. I also follow the steps mentioned earlier and send 10 requests this month, so I can see how it goes. Considering that more than 1,000 companies have my data, I know it's gonna take a while. But let's see how long it's gonna take for me to get rid of them.